everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your password for Poshmark. So let's go ahead and jump in straight into the video. Open up a web browser of your choice and then into the URL box popping up at the top, type in poshmark.com and press enter. Doing this will take you to the official site for Poshmark. To log into your account, click the login button at the top right hand corner, which will then take you to the login area. If you don't remember your password for your Poshmark account, then here is how you can easily recover your password. Click the forgot password link and then go ahead and enter your email or your username associated with your Poshmark account. After typing in your registered email or username, click Reset Password. You'll now receive an email from Poshmark with an instruction to reset your password. Open up your email inbox and you'll receive an email with instruction from Poshmark. Click it open and then click on this click here link to reset your password. Now, you'll need to set up a new password for your account. Enter the new password you'd like to set in the first text box and reconfirm the password by typing it again in the next. After both of your passwords matches, click on Reset Password. You can now log in with your new password. Simply go ahead and get to the Poshmark.com login page and enter your email address in the text box where it says email and username. Now enter the new password into the password text box. Finally click on login and you'll be able to log into your Poshmark account. So that is how you can easily reset your password for Poshmark if you've forgotten it during logging in. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.